actually our last day. Just about 300 kilometers to Somerset West, our end destination. And we are finally a full clan. The Three Musketeers heading up the route today, with my brother joining us yesterday.
So it's the last day of our tour. We're currently standing on about 1,800 kilometers. Today we are taking it quite slowly. We only need to get to Somerset West, which is about 300 kilometers, but we are planning on doing some awesome routes through the Anysberg. I hope you guys enjoy this last one.
Currently on a dirt road to Montagu. We started off on the R329 and then we hit this excellent dirt highway. A bit of loose gravel on top but hard packed underneath, and so far extremely smooth. Oh, what a drop. So this region is known as the Anysberg, and it's a road that also goes to Montagu, where most people normally take the R62. Probably because it's a gravel road, so most people try and skip that. That. Recently rained in this region. The roads are wet. There are a few mud puddles here and there. So we've just crossed into a game reserve in this nice mountain region. But so far, no wildlife. beautiful downhill pass. That's it. Water stream on water stream. People, we've made it.
So this marks the end of our Western Cape tour, all the way from Potchefstroom, through Mpumalanga, through KZN and the Eastern Cape, ultimately ending here in Somerset West. Thanks to my travel companions, what a privilege it was to travel with my brother and my dad, and thanks for all the awesome places and roads we have seen in Southern Africa. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.
And we've arrived in the Strand. That's about, let's check, 2,600 kilometers. 5 days. And here we are.